Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to create a mini CRUD application in the upcoming video series using Laravel. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and like the video. So back to the topic. I have already installed the project in my system. Let's see the configuration. Go to the env file. I am using SQLite for database and the database.sqlite file also created. Let's run the project. PHP artisan shell. Go to the link. It will open the project in the browser. Okay, let's create a new model in migration file. For that, in the terminal write PHP artisan make colon model employee minus n. Here minus n flag is used to create the migration file. Let's first set up the migration file. After that, migrate the database using this command php artisan. Now let's set up the model. Go inside app model, open the employee file. Let's first define the guarded property. It is the opposite of field level. Allow us to pass assignment. Okay, both the files are ready. Let's create controller for our employee model. For that, use PHP artisan make controller and the controller name is employee controller. Let's define route first. For view all the data. We are also going to use named route. Open the controller, define the index method. Create the index view inside the view folder. I have already created the layout. It is a crowd video series, so we do not focus on the UI part. If you want me to make a video on how to make layouts, do let me know in the comments. Let's use our main route on the welcome file. Let me copy the name for convenience. I have already created view for this. So let me just copy it and paste inside the index file. So this is how our UI looks like. Let's create a view for our form. Now let's create the method for it. Just copy the previous one and rename the method and return the create. Now let's create the view file, define the layout in it. I have already made the form, so let's copy and paste there. Now go to the browser and check the view. So this is how our form looks like, and our named routes are working perfectly. Let's make the view button also work. Okay, our project view part is completed. In the upcoming videos, we are going to implement the rest of the products. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.